Welcome to the UVU MOOC demonstration website. The purpose of this video is to help you get a picture of what we are attempting to do with this website and how students can access their homework, their quizzes, and the videos, and how they can communicate with the instructor and each other. So we're going to log in as a student, and we see the welcome page. And this shows us some important things, what classes were registered in, and if there's any new communications. In this case, there's a forum post, so let's go and look at it. It looks like the teacher is asking a question here, and so we'll reply just as if we were a student. And we get a chance to type in our question. And the really cool thing about this forum is on a question like this, the teacher can set it up so that each student has to respond before they get to see anyone else's responses. Or they can even be limited to just seeing their own responses anyway. And so it allows for a great level of communication. We can go to the main web page now where the student can see the upcoming assignments, and as the due date passes they vanish from this list so that they can stay on top of things. The exclamation point is used for videos such as the following, and so if we click on this it'll bring up this one, and this is just a sample of what we've done. What we want to do now is find a common denominator. So students get a chance to listen to somebody speaking as well as watching a whiteboard presentation on it. They can't interact with it too much. They can click on different things and go to different parts and re-listen to things. But as a whole, it's a video. They can come back and they can see the red for the homework assignments, yellow for quizzes. They can see their grade book or the calendar, and they can see upcoming assignments. And on the calendar they can access these homework assignments directly. So here they're asked to do different things, and as they get the problems right they get points. If they miss them, then they're told that they don't get any points, but they get a chance to go back in and reattempt it. And they can look at some hints, and we can build other hints into this. And they have the option of messaging the instructor about the question, asking a comment for help and for comments on it. And so we can check to see what they're getting and what they're not getting. Finally, the last thing that we want to look at are the quizzes or tests, which are similar, but they have we can put a time limit on them. They require an access code for password to get access to it, and they have to attempt all of the problems before they even get any of their scores at all. And then it's graded and they get to see their score. Once they have done this, then they get a chance to see how they did, and they can review it, and they can play with the different pieces. And of course we didn't do too well with the guessing, but we can come back and we can view the gradebook and see just where we're at in the course. I hope this gives you a feel for what our students would be getting out of this MOOC. Thank you for watching.